I haven't been on the construction site for probably about 3 days. So been stuck out in the field, so there would have been a fair bit that would have happened. Anyway, we'll have a quick tour and have a look for the edge of the warehouse. And they're still digging over there for the other foundations, so we'll have a look. Look pretty serious. We've got the rebarb in the center there already, so they're ready to continue to pour. Got it all shored up. There's another 2 tanks for the reservoir that's arrived. That will take us to a total of about 120,000 litres. Is that right? It's 120 cube. So I guess these boys are all ready to pour. Yeah, huge foundations. Anyway, we'll go have a look at the next lot of foundations, which are the, well, I'll talk about that once I'm there. So this is the foundation that will carry a tower and the conveyors into the center of the warehouse up there. And this here, what they're starting to do is actually move a lot of the subsoil from the site to level it. So everything that's in ground there now will basically be ground level once they've finished. So a hell of a lot of soil that will be moved. And there's the foundations for the next line of well, the outside of the warehouse. So it's all happening. And here is some of the conveyors and auxiliary equipment that will go here, and just across the other side of the trench will be the burn house. So basically all of that soil, near enough all of that soil will be level. It has to be taken away. Across here we've got the wet silo. So not much has happened there since last time. Still in a similar condition. They've just packed it down. So yeah, they've been busy pouring concrete and doing the rebarb, and continuing to move earth as well. So yeah, gives you a quick tour. Rightio. Back to the field. Try to not get bogged in the tractor, although you can't see it really, but perhaps you can. It's a bit overcast and we're expecting a lot of rain over the next 3 days and potentially more. So anyway, that's all for now. That's the rebarb on site at the minute. so they'll get through that pretty quick, and I'd anticipate that there's going to be at least another load or two of that. So there's a fair amount of tons of steel going in the ground as well. These are actually two of the smaller tanks. I can't shift this cough. And these are another big tank that arrived there that I took a video of a few days ago. So waiting for the supervisor to come and inspect them, make sure that they travelled okay, and then they'll get offloaded and put on site, ready to put in the ground at some point in the near future.